Gotta be careful. What? Now what?
Well, I want to do...
Always something. Trying to get rid of the pain, and the pain keeps showing up.
Well, I want to do a follow-up.
On what?
On your acupuncture. So, what do you think of the results?
I think they suck.
And how do you feel?
How do I feel? You know how I feel.
Well, tell the world, though.
Why?
Because they're asking.
Who the hell is asking? Give me a break.
People want to follow up on how your acupuncture worked and whether you liked it or not and whether you think you'll go back or not.
Well, if I'm going to be as sore as I was, no, I ain't going back.
Okay.
But I'll probably go back one more time to see if it does it again.
To see if it's as bad. Are you starting to feel better? It's now Monday and you went in on Friday, right?
Yeah.
So are you starting? I mean, I know Saturday and Sunday you felt awful.
It's not quite as sore as it was those 2 days.
Okay, well, we'll check in. And I want to take a look at your back, too. I'll try not to strangle you this time. I want to see if the marks have faded.
Where they whipped me?
Yeah, where they whipped you. Where she beat you with a spoon.
It's like being in concentration camp.
Just back now. Now it just looks like some bruising. It's a little bit yellow. Does it hurt when I push on it?
No.
No? So that's looking better. But that's, what's that, 3 days?
Yeah.
Saturday, Sunday, and it's now Monday.
Yeah, but
So we did cancel his appointment. He had an appointment on Friday, this Friday. And we canceled that, but we may book one for this Friday after that. Maybe. Think you want to try it again. We're going to wait and see his doctor and talk to his doctor and possibly get some x-rays done and see if it's more than just...
Well, it could be anything. And it's kind of like...
could be anything.
Oh, you and that stupid ass camera. I want to be a star.
I want to be a YouTube star. He's pushing my arm away.
Go be a YouTube star somewhere else.
Oh, poor honey. Yeah, so he's not very happy with it as of yet.
Well, it might not be anything to do with the chiropractor or the acupuncture. It might be, the shoulder might still be like my knee was that one time.
Right. It could be more. That's why we want to get some x-rays because...
It wasn't quite, it was just the fringe of it. It was not in.
Yeah.
And that's what it feels like on my shoulder. But I don't think my chiropractor, I don't think she's strong enough to pop it in back in.
That could be too. Henny might not be strong enough. We can make another appointment with Helmke.
Yeah.
Or we can get you some x-rays first.
Whatever. Because he'll probably ask the same thing.
Yeah, well, we talked to your doctor next week, right?
Yeah, because she asked us when we went in there the first time. She asked us if we had x-rays yet too, right?
Yeah.
All right, so everybody asks, and it's kind of like...
Yeah, so we should go and get some.
What?
I came for you to say hello to the world.
Hello, world.
And to share your...
Which world are you talking about?
Lorrie's world.
Lorrie's world.
Yeah. And
That's right outside the window.
The people who've come to visit it.
You have a few visitors once in a while.
Once in a while.
I see their comments.
Well, that's good. So what's new in your world?
Oh, let's see. You yawned.
I know I did.
You made me yawn. Because it's contagious.
Well, look, hey, your bed is made this time.
I caught something else, too.
And look, there's Hassani up there. She's just eyeballing me, watching to see if I move or not. Can you guys see her? This doesn't have any good zoom, but
She watching you?
yeah,
She was up here a minute ago. Look at all the hair I got off of her.
I don't care. I don't care to see it. I don't want to look. Don't be pulling her hair out of a napkin for me to see.
That's what's making me cough.
Okay, well, wrap it up again before I...
It's not blood.
It's disgusting.
It's just hair.
It's disgusting.
It's not disgusting. No more disgusting than your hair.
My hair is not disgusting.
If I were to start brushing it out and pulling it out...
You're
with
not
a brush-
brushing my hair with your cat brush, Mom. She stole my brush, my favorite brush in the whole world.
This is now
And
Hassani's
she
favorite
started
brush.
brushing her cat with it.
She likes it.
I bet she does. I really liked it too. It was my favorite brush.
I can brush your hair with it.
Not anymore, you can't.
And then I can pull your hair out in between.
No, thank you.
Like this.
Yeah, you just keep on doing that. Why did you move your garbage away from beside your chair?
Because I throw more things away by my desk
Hmm.
than I do here by the
So
chair.
here you just wrap it in a paper towel and wait for somebody to
And-
come along and take the paper towel and get grossed out.
And then I throw it away.
So did you want me to fill up that little honey jar for you?
That's glass, isn't it?
Yes.
I don't want glass. Don't we have a little square round?
A square round? I don't think we have any square rounds. MeMaw. Did you want to try that
They
again?
know what I'm talking about.
Square rounds? Do you know what square rounds are?
They're those little plastic things they're round, but they got a square top on them. Red. Those red. They're only about this tall.
You mean the little Tupperware containers
Yeah,
that are square?
on top.
That
and
have
round on the
square.
bottom.
They're not round on the bottom. They're square on the bottom,
One of
too.
those, yeah.
I don't know if you'd be able to take the lid off.
Why not?
Because the lids are hard to get off.
I can strain.
Oh, yeah, sure. Strain and tip, and there goes your honey all over.
I can ring my bell.
Yeah, whatever. I'm taking those bells back.
No, Hisani likes hers.
Yeah, I bet she does.
Hisani walks on the doorbell ringer that I used to call Lorrie.
It's
help.
in case of emergency.
That would be an emergency. My doctor told me that a spoonful of honey would maybe help my cough be suppressed better. It helps a little bit. I tried it.
But that would be easy because all you would have to do, you could leave a spoon in it, a little spoon in it,
Yeah.
and then you could just have it here. You just have to lift the lid up and take your spoon out and keep it from dripping all over the place. And eat it, and then you can even just put it back because it's just your
Put
germs.
my germy spoon back in the...
Well, if it's in here, it's just going to be you using it. I'm not going to come in here and take a spoonful of honey off your dresser. I'll probably, take it out of the other room, my own jar of honey.
I wish they made something for chronic cough that worked.
Shouldn't have smoked so much.
I didn't smoke. I never smoked.
I know.
My voice instructor told me never smoke, Sharon. Back when I
She
was
never
a kid.
did.
Yeah,
Back when she
I
was a
kid.
singer.
Yeah, when I was learning how to sing.
Hmm.
I was watching the Vineyard Chicks singing.
Were you?
Yeah, they're getting better.
They are.
Yeah. A little bit more harmony in there now.
You want me to tell them that?
I'm telling them that.
You're telling them that? That they're getting better? They're harmonizing more nicely?
Yeah.
Yeah. So my sisters and I really learned how to harmonize really well. When we used to go on rides in the car, we would sing a cappella.
It's a great
A
way.
cappella? A cappella?
It's a great way to keep kids from fighting in the car. Is to start them singing.
Yeah, we sang a whole lot of different things in the car, and we could sing for hours and hours and hours, and it was a great way to learn how to harmonize too, because you don't have any music to distract you. Or any, instruments to distract you. It's all just about the voice.
Yeah. Yep.
Yep.
My voice instructor paired me with another student who happened to be a tall, dark, handsome boy.
Oh, well, isn't that too bad?
It was fun. We sang duets all over the place.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it was neat.
There you go.
It was fun.
A little bit of history about MeMaw.
Yeah.
You have a word of wisdom today?
Yeah, practice your scales.
Okay.
And your breathing exercises. And your pronunciation exercises.
Enunciation in singing is important. Yeah, you don't want to be.
Yeah. Project your voice.
Yep.
So that the person in the back row can hear you.
Yeah. That's how I could clear out a bar back 20 years ago when I was clearing out bars.
Go home.
I could project my voice. No, you don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. I don't care where you go. Just get out. It's taking all your money. You're no fun anymore. Go away.
Very nice. To your patrons.
And they always came back for more.
They liked it. You sang karaoke. You ran the karaoke thing, didn't you?
I didn't run it, but I did at other places.
Yeah.
But not when I didn't bar. Well, one place I bartended and sang karaoke behind the bar with a wireless mic, but I wasn't running the karaoke at the same time as bartending.
I remember the time I surprised you with karaoke.
When I was bartending.
Yeah.
I showed up in California.
And sang a song.
Yeah.
You didn't know. You're a karaoke guy, and I connived.
Inspired.
Yeah. We connived. They have a ramp going up to the front door.
For what?
At the dentist.
Okay.
I can walk my walker up the ramp.
Okay.
Have to go around the back side.
Can you do it all by your own self?
Probably. Just like I do the ramp outside.
Yeah, that scares me. That ramp might be a little steep.
The one outside?
Yeah.
I'm going to get on. I'm going to sit on my
No, you are not.
walker and go down the hill.
I wonder if that would actually be easier for you. You'd have to try at the bottom with you pushing your way up.
You can use your handles and turn the brakes on just a little bit.
Yeah.
I can try that the next time. It's getting in and out of the front door that's hard.
Mm.
I have to go clink, clink, clink. The poor vet had to get...
You can't pop a wheelie?
No. The poor vet had to help me get out the other day.
Did he really?
Yeah. I couldn't open the door and go out with that. This is a pain in the butt, you know.
Yeah. Getting old sucks.
Yeah.
But not everyone gets the opportunity.
True. don't know whether to be jealous or not.
Jealous or joyous?
I know where I'm going.
Me too.